Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Now in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is so right now we're going to Chillpops. That's the place that we're going to currently, and that is in Negril. We've been hearing about it for a very long time. I'm sure it's like ordinary popsicles or whatever, but you don't think it's ordinary? No way. All right, so that's where we're going to be going to right now. Currently on the live talking to you guys, but yeah, that's going to be a whole vibe. So let's see. Let's hope it's really good, and I'll catch you when we're there. Man, I can never get tired of that sunset before I leave. Anyway, let's go. All right, guys, so we just got to, I think it's called the NCB Commercial Complex or whatever. That's on the Negril stretch. If you've ever been to the Dream Weekend, that strip where all the events are kept, that's exactly where it is. I'll drop it on the map so you guys can, well, in the description box, sorry, so you guys can actually find where we are going to go for Chillpops. It seems to be a vibe. People have been talking about it. I've seen posts about it, so hopefully it's as good as they make it seem.
I'm not, this is my errands clothes. I was
errands clothes?
Yeah, I thought it not work for me.
Yes, I was like, okay, cool, let me just forward. But I didn't know you were gonna come as well. If I had known, I would have been like, shit. I Chillpops and everybody running properly, you know?
Yeah, guys, so we're at Chillpops right now. The things them sell out fast, so most stuff are gone, right?
Pretty much everything. So tomorrow, as I said, everything will be replenished.
Everything will be here.
So
alright, cool.
Let me give it a rundown.
Alright, cool.
Alright, so it's super easy. You have 3 options to choose from. You have your fruit base, your dairy base, as Jamaicans call it fudge, ice cream on a stick, and then you have your alcoholic popsicles. So again, a cocktail on a stick.
Cool.
Super easy philosophy. Everything is done from the ground up, so there's no preservatives, no chemicals, no artificial enhancers, additives, stabilizers, all from ground zero.
Like that.
So we manufacture and produce our own syrups, nectars. It's not like we buy true juice and just pour it in a mold. Yeah. Literally everything is either blended or cold pressed. So
wow.
Yeah, so there's a little bit of time and work that goes into it. For example, go on.
I have a question.
Yes.
You guys are sold out on most stuff right now. What's the first thing that normally sells out? The go-to flavor.
Cookies and cream.
That's her favorite. That's your favorite, right?
We do a ridiculous amount of cookies and cream a day. Okay. I'm gonna be very honest. Like cookies and cream sells like nobody's business.
That's awesome.
But truth be told, everything sells pretty quickly. Okay. Like especially the alcohol on the weekends. That does.
Wait, you guys have alcohol pops?
Yeah. So
I saw a post that said something like as chaser, like they put it in the.
Alright, so
explain that.
No. So alright, so here we'll go on. We have a BYOB policy. So you can bring your own bottles. Yeah. So typically on Saturdays and Sundays and Friday evenings, people will turn up with a cue or a bottle and they say chaser. So they will just buy the popsicles and everybody will vibe.
That's a vibe.
So they'll bring their board games on a Sunday as well and just have fun, you know.
Wow.
We provide the music and the ambience and we provide the laughter. Simple as that.
And yeah, and guys, trust me, I will leave a hot girl come here. The girls have not come here. Case in point.
Case in point. Alright. So let me tell you something. So even like the pina colada, for example, that's the same recipe from Puerto Rico, which is where the pina colada originated from.
Wow.
So
bucket list.
Bucket list, Puerto Rico.
Why am I saying this?
Yeah, we were talking about going to Puerto Rico. Like,
so this is alright. So when you guys do go, you can hold me accountable. Yeah. That's what your pina colada is gonna taste when you go over there. My girlfriend's Puerto Rican. Oh. So that's why we have that.
Yeah.
So she got fed up with the fact that there's always CPJ syrup with ice and either pineapple thrown in, if you're lucky. So this is the actual recipe from, don't quote me on this, I could get the year wrong, but it's 1865 I think, when it came out. Anyways, you might want to edit that out, but whatever. So the same thing for the rum punch. The rum punch, everything is cold pressed. So it's cold pressed pineapple juice, orange juice, there's mango nectar in there, and we only use premium liquor. So Appleton, we only use reserve, not special.
Question, you did mention about the orange juice, right? Today we had fresh squeezed orange, and the flavor is a bit off. How do you guys maintain having that?
Suppliers.
Suppliers.
Yeah, so I'll tell you firsthand, I'm very finicky. If I buy a watermelon and it's not a, as them say, sugar melon, and I taste it and it's not sweet, I throw it out, we don't use it. Well, I don't throw it out, but we don't use it.
You use it for something else?
We use it for something else.
Cool.
I.e. salad, fruit salad at home, but we won't use it for the products.
Awesome.
So everything is really, in terms of quality, we taste and test everything before it leaves.
Love that for you guys.
Yeah,
That's a vibe.
Yeah.
That's a vibe.
Yeah.
What's left back, right? Like, what can we sample right now?
You know what I want you to have? Have your cookies and cream. That's on me because you're here.
Hey, that's a vibe.
That's that. And then I would recommend for yourself. Well, it's up to you, bro. You want to try the?
I mean, you mentioned pina colada, so.
But yeah, bro, I love your vlogs, though. Not that was my bribe to get myself on your vlog, either way, but you know.
This tastes like it comes right off of the cow. Like the milk is...
It's rich.
Oh,
it's premium. So this is what you have to understand.
And this is definitely Oreo.
Yeah.
It is.
It's not a YOLO.
Just taste
It's
it,
an Oreo.
yeah.
And Oreo has a cult following. I didn't know that.
Alright. So I don't know the ingredients to a pina colada, but don't tell me.
Go on.
Don't tell me. I'm gonna try to taste every single ingredient without you telling me.
Tell me.
Alright, so I already know, I do know about pineapple. Pineapple. I taste coconut cream.
Absolutely.
Yes, coconut cream. Is it white rum or coconut rum?
It's actually brown rum. It's
brown rum.
It's Appleton Reserve.
Appleton Reserve, brown rum.
And that's the core ingredients right there. That's it. That's your pina colada.
That's everything.
But what you have to understand, you know, is a lot of bars and restaurants will opt to use the syrup, the flavored syrup, pina colada syrup, and ice. And that's the pineapple because it's that much cheaper for margin for the rule.
That's why I hate hot dog pina colada.
So they have the machine that literally got blue syrup and ice.
Literally got some goosebumps just now. Like no joke. Like guys, this.
Oh, you recording?
I know, I'm recording. Yo, are you taking is it pineapples?
Yeah, real pineapple. Blendo.
Yo, you know this is real? You know those little shreds that pineapples have, like little fibers? You feel that, yo.
That's how it should be. Authentic.
So you mentioned that pina coladas come from Puerto Rico?
That's where it originates.
Honestly, you can feel that this is as close as
So
what it should
home, like.
Alright, political side, let me ask something. Have you had a pina colada like that in Jamaica?
be. Never.
No.
Yeah.
Never
That's
this
what-
rich.
That's what
Never
everybody has
this
said to us.
Guys, forgive this sliding off because I was videoing Judah, so by the time it's hot in Jamaica, so it melted off.
Time hot day.
Yo.
And that's what works as well, like on a really hot day. Just
I believe like if I'm paid for something, it should be up to my liking, it should be up to my standards.
I like that. So your main aim is just to make sure that people are satisfied all the time. Happy. Yo, bro, it was a pleasure meeting you, man. Yo, bless up. Business is freaking awesome. I'm telling you that straight up, 100%. Yo, enough respect, bro. All right, guys. So we just got back by the rock house, and let me tell you, man. I don't know if you could have sensed it in the start of the video. I'm sure it's like ordinary popsicles or whatever, but you don't think it's ordinary? I find a lot of times in Jamaica we have a lot of places that are very gimmicky. You know, they look beautiful on the outside, but on the inside it's not worth the weight in gold. But trying the popsicles there, yo, I'll give that spot a 10 out of 10. First of all, the owner of the company, he was very, very, very informative, and you can tell it's a labor of love. You know what I'm saying? The pina colada, you could taste almost every single ingredient that's in it, and you know when something is like fresh. In Jamaica, you have the Devon House, and when you eat Devon House ice cream, you can tell that there's milk in it. You know, there's no, oh, is this a preservative? Is this an additive? For Chillpops, I had that cookie and cream ice cream one, and let me tell you, I would say the milkiness, the richness of it was above and beyond. So I really appreciated it. I also wanted to mention something, like on the channel, I always try to be very, very honest with my reviews and stuff. I mean, sometimes I don't want to be like too harsh on certain things, but you know, talking to you know, the owner and everything, and we were just talking about like, you know, good food spots to have in the grill, and the common consensus was there's not really many good food spots on the hotel strip, and I find it to be very common. I mean, if there's somewhere that's great out here that you really think is good, drop it in the comments and big them up. But I find like when it's in the touristic spaces, like the attention to food detail is not, it's not very evident there. If you come to Jamaica on a hot day and you do want to try a popsicle, try it out. Or if you want to have a great ambiance or take some great pictures or have an alcoholic popsicle, try it out. You are going to enjoy it. And then it came around to where I'm staying now, the food here, and to be honest, I was just like, yeah, I think my reviews have been honest. You know, I don't really think the food here is bussin'. When I say bussin', I mean like you can taste the attention to detail. Like here I can see the attention to detail when it comes on to accommodation. It's perfect, it's beautiful. When it comes on to the quality of food, I wouldn't say like, yeah, for the price that you're spending, not so much. Anyway, Judah is back. I'm gonna close the vlog off right here and go to a nice food spot here that I think is bussin'. If you guys get the chance to be in Negril, no, we're going to Sav, right? Sav is where the real Jamaican street food thing is at. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember these three things, guys: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, man, keep the link.